day, everyone. We are the group of La Casa de Contadores from BSA 1A. We are talking today about PAS 8, accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates, and errors. The group members are
Arazula Mariel,
Brihino Renel Justin,
Mundalian Marian Chiho E.
Castro James Cyril J.
Suba Eliza M. And let's start our discussion. Introduction. Philippine Accounting Standards, or also known as PAS 8. It is implemented rule for selecting, applying, and changing accounting policies. The accounting and disclosure of changes in accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates, and correction of prior period errors. These are intended to enhance the relevance, reliability, and comparability of the financial statement. Accounting policies. Accounting policies' purpose is to determine the appropriate selection and application of accounting policies. It refers to hierarchy guidance. These specific principles, bases, conventions, rules, and practices applied by an entity in preparing and presenting financial statement, according to PAS 8.5. Hierarchy of reporting standard. PFRS includes the following. PFRS, or also known as Philippine Financial Reporting Standard, PAS, or Philippine Accounting Standards, and interpretations. The management refers to PFRS to account for a transaction. An entity refers to the PFRS first. PFRS are accompanied by the guidance to assist entities in applying their requirements. It determines if it is integral, part of PFRS. Integral means mandatory, that deals with that specifically transaction. However, if there is an absence of PFRS, therefore, it would result to judgment. Judgment. In making judgment, the management shall consider the following. It's a must. First, the requirement in other PFRS dealing with similar transaction. Conceptual framework, it can assist an entity to develop policies when there is no clearing standard. The management uses judgment if PFRS presence is absent. In making judgment, the management may also consider the following. Option 1. Pronouncement by other standard-setting bodies or other accounting literature and industry practices. The management uses judgment in developing and applying an accounting policy. The management uses its own judgment that will result to an informant that is relevant and reliable enough. It also considers the applicability of the reference listed upon. Accounting policies could change if and only if it is counted for the order of priority. Changes in accounting policies. PAS 8 requires the consistent selection and application of accounting policies, or, according to PAS 8, permits change in accounting policy only if the change is required by the PFRS, results in reliable and more relevant information, or change in accounting policies results from a change in measurement basis. First, the historical cost, the current cost, the realizable value, and the present value.
It is accounted for using order for priority. Number 1, transitional provisions. They may allow an entity additional time to meet full of requirements of specific ocular base or provide relief from certain requirements when initially applying and its accounting policy. Number 2, retrospective application. If there is no transitional provision, then retrospective application is adjusting the opening balance. If retrospective application is impracticable, the new accounting policy should be applied in the earliest period where the retrospective application is practicable. Current period. If it is still impracticable, the entity allowed to apply prospective application. Prospective application is the application of new accounting policy to contraction after the date of the policy change, with recognition of the effect of change in accounting estimate in the current and future period. The change is not applied to prior period. Transitional provision, it first refers to any PFRS that specially deals with accounting policies related to specific entity. Retrospective application, adjusting the opening balance, it is presented as if new accounting policy has been applied from very beginning. If the retrospective application is impracticable, the new accounting policy should be applied in the earliest period where the retrospective application is practicable, which is the current period. Voluntary change is also accounted. However, if the retrospective application is still impracticable to apply in any period, therefore, for the entity allowed to apply the prospective applications. Prospective application is the application of new accounting policy to transaction after the date of the policy change with recognition of the effect of change in accounting estimate in the current and future period. The change is not applied to prior periods.
Accounting estimates. There are some uncertainties inherent in a business activities that many items in financial statements can be measured with precision but only estimation. Precision is different from estimation. Precision is marked by or adopted for accuracy and exactness. It can be also refinement in measurement, calculation, or a specification, or it can relate it to how close measured values are to each other, while estimation is the judgment of the work or a rough calculation of the value. Accounting estimates is an approximation of the amount to be debited or credited on items for which no precise means of measurements are available. Estimates are a big part of accounting. It can deal with how big bad debt would be, useful lives and salvage values, warranty liable, or even fair value of financial assets and more. They are quite to make mistakes because of the revisions from time to time. However, changes in accounting estimates is resulted from the change in circumstances, for example, occurring new information or more experience is obtained. Changes in accounting estimate. It is the adjustment of the carrying amount of an asset or liability that results from the assessment of present status and expected future benefit. It will result from new information and new developments, but this is not corrections of error. It is only an adjustment of the carrying amounts. Changes in accounting policy is different from changes in accounting estimates. Changes in accounting policy normally results from changes of measurement basis or principles. Examples of these are changes in historical cost to fair value, and it uses retrospectively division, while the accounting estimates is results from the expected inflows or outflows of the economic benefits from assets or incurred of liab. Example of these are changes of the provision amount based on fair value, and it uses prospectively division. Remember that if a change is difficult to distinguish, it will be treated as a change of accounting estimates because it warranty obligations and other provisions. Changes in accounting and changes in estimates. It can use a prospective application if you have mistakes, because in prospective application, you fix mistakes and move forward. We don't restate the account. Example, if the years will be 16 rather than 14 years, we will restated it, but we will move forward. Another example, imagine that your company buys equipment worth 25,000 on January 1, 2020. The estimate useful life will be the 5 years. Salvage value is 0 since it's not stated. We will get the 25,000, which is the amount of the equipment, divided to the 5 years of the useful life, and we will get 5,000 every year as a payment of it. However, after 2 years, the management believed that the useful life is 10 years rather than 5 years. So we will not go back. We will just fix the mistake. We will use EUL as a estimated useful life, which will be 10 years. Salvage value is 0 since it's not stated. The new annual depreciation will look like this: 25,000 minus 10,000 over 10 years minus 2 years. Then the result will be 1,875 per year, and this is what we're going to pay. Errors. Errors are omissions from or misstatement in the financial statements for prior periods as a result of ignoring or misusing available information or not using them at all. Is errors are material or not? It can be yes, it can be no. If yes, restate retrospectively. Use comparatives prior to date presented in which it occurred, but if it's before the date, we will be using opening balances. But if the errors is not material, we will correct it in the current reporting period. Misapplications of accounting policies, mathematical mistakes, oversights, or misinterpretations of facts and fraud. Material errors are caused the financial statements to be misstated. Immaterial errors are made intentionally, where the intentional errors are example of this is fraud. Here are the classification of errors, which is the errors of commission and error of omission. These two are different from each other since error of commission is doing something wrong, while the error of omission is not doing something that should have been done. Types of errors. We have two types of errors here, the current period errors and the prior period errors, which current period errors means errors that occur during current period and discovered either during or after the current period. It can be corrected using correcting entries, while the prior period errors are errors in 1 year or more prior periods that were only discovered either during the current or after the current period. It can be corrected using retrospective statement. What is retrospective statement? Retrospective statement is restating the comparative amounts, correcting a prior period's error as if the error never occurred.
And that will be all. Thank you.